What is up guys, and welcome to the last part of this series where I'm making this Traxxas Mini XRT unstoppable. So here is the stock version of the Mini XRT and here is the upgraded one. So in this video we are going to upgrade the battery holder and the shocks. So let's hit it. So here we have the upgrades for today. The aluminium battery holder and also the shocks. But we will begin the video by installing the aluminium holder, so let's jump right into that.
Let's go see a show in Mexico, yeah. Laugh and dance all night. We should fly right over the sea. Take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, never place you wanna see, yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in the pizza, chilling all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change.
And that is how easy it is to install the Traxxas battery holder on the Traxxas Mini XRT. With that done, we move on to the next part, which is installing the shocks.
Hand in hands through the streets of Paris, girl. Having fun by candlelight. Maybe we could take the train to London. I've got some real good friends out there. Maybe we could check out Strasbourg and Barcelona. Our love can take us anywhere. We should fly right over the sea. Take my hand to another land, girl, just you and me. Breakfast here and dinner there, we flow with the breeze. We can do this anywhere, never place you wanna see. Yeah. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in the pizza, chilling all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change. Few days in Tokyo, weekend in Spain. Out there in the pizza, chilling all day with your feet up. Don't matter where we go, always stays the same. I got you and you got me, girl. That'll never change. That'll never change. That'll never change.
Now let's do that 4 more times. Now when that's all done, we're going to rebuild all 4 shocks.
Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising under moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over it. Checking my maps, heading a stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I need it to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl. And I'm at the door, see you walking up to me, and you got something that's showing what's underneath. Still, you expect me to make it do pleasantries, baby, I'm yours. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. Rubbing in the hallway, no use for all the wrong.
Now we're going to repeat this rebuild 4 more times. And now that that's all done, we are going to install them on the car itself.
It's all for you. No, no, no. She said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. We could catch got your vibe, you want it. I'm in your soul, you're on my head. I want you at my fingertips all night, all night. I wish you got home, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. I've been in the hallway, no use for all the room. What you wanna do? She told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no.
And that is all 3 parts of this series where I'm making this Traxxas Mini XRT unstoppable. Here are all the upgrades for today, and if you haven't watched the first and the second part, please do that right now, or else we'll see you in the next one.